Hey guys, welcome back. We have the Scrappy. Let's give this a maiden flight. We got a 4S, 300 milliamp. We got the Spectrum NX8 Plus. We are at the lake up in the beautiful Berkshires. I've got the Draco and it flew great, but it breaks very easy if you don't land perfectly. Oh, I forgot to turn that on. Let it initiate. There we go. I have not flown this. This is absolutely the maiden flight. Left, right, up, down, left rudder, right rudder. Take off flaps, landing flaps. I have this set up for the rates from the book, and it's not a pre-programmed file. I had to set up a basic plane flight, or a basic plane, and let's give it a try, huh? All right. I'm just guessing on the battery where we're putting it. I have no idea if this is going to be a Scrappy or a Crappy. The wife's over there fishing, having a good time. We're at the lake, we're at the dam. I got the timer set for 5 minutes. And she's off. There is a 7-mile-an-hour wind. We're going to go to mid rates. Oh, we're all over the place here. All right. Well, I don't know if it's a wind or what, but so far it's not flying as good as the Draco did. It's kind of all over the place. Over the lake. She needs down. Yeah, she's just... Oh my God, all over the place. I'm gonna have... It's like it's tail heavy. That was a crazy flight. That was all over the place. That was nuts. Man, why did that fly like that? Just the controls weren't responding well. It was just all over the place. It was doing a lot of pitched up. Well, I'm going to check this out and we'll be back, guys. So here we are, guys. After 3 minutes and 4 seconds of flight, we're at 42%. Hopefully you can see that. 42% battery left, which is excellent. You absolutely can fly 5 minutes on a 4S 300. All right, guys, so we put the battery a little bit more forward, and we're going to do takeoff flaps, and we're going to give this another try. And if it's pitchy, we'll see. Let's find out. Another flight. Oh, already much better. Much better. I moved the battery forward. She still wants to go up, so there we go. Much better. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to, it's maiden flight. Trying to work out the kinks. I hate that beeping at half throttle with the Spectrum NX8. Ooh, don't tip stall. I'm gonna have to take care of that beeping and get rid of it. Like I said, there is a 5 to 7 mile an hour wind, but I mean, I wouldn't think that would affect it. Let's try safe. There's safe, limited bank angle. That's all it'll let you bank. Just like that. I want to see if it'll fly better. Oh, it still wants to go up. That's limited bank angle and safe. We're going to try to, there we go down on the elevator a little bit, which is up on the trim, so she don't go so high when I give it throttle. Should be able to go, what, half throttle without the plane lifting. Limited bank angle. All right, let's take it out of safe, which is on the gear switch by default. She does want to go up. And we're going to try to land her. And there we go. All right. Hey, welcome back, guys. Good morning. It's about 8:15 a.m. in the morning, early September. We're up here at the lake. I've flown this a couple of times. We got the Scrappy here, the micro 32-inch wingspan. We got it on 4S, 400 milliamp. We are flying with a NX8 Plus Spectrum. I did not download the file. I downloaded basic plane, and then set up the rates recommended. I do have another setting for different rates in Expo. I'll go over that with you afterwards. I've tried to fly this a couple of times, and I'm still not happy with it. I'm still trying to trim it out after a couple of flights. We're going to give it a try again this morning and see if we can get it to fly a little bit better. As of today, I've seen a lot of people comment that it flies great, but I've had a lot of problems with pitching up. I've made some adjustments, and all I can say is we made some adjustments. We adjusted the mechanical settings on the elevator, because even with the battery all the way forward, it kept pitching up when you would give it gas, throttle. So I made some more adjustments. Let's see if we can get this third flight to iron things out and get it flying good, or at least as good as the Micro Draco, because the Micro Draco flied great. This has got nothing to do with Mike Patty's design, or Mike Patty, forgive me, however you pronounce it. His plane's beautiful, excellent designer, but when you try to bring it down into a foam model, you know, it's drastically different than a real life plane. So let's see if we can get this trimmed out and get it to fly good. We've got a 3 to 5 mile an hour wind. It's a little more windy at the top of the trees. I got to keep an eye out for people walking their dogs. We're at the dam at my private lake where I live in the beautiful Berkshires. And okay, we're not going to use safe. We're going to do AS3X mode. You don't have a choice. You can't shut it off with this model.
Panic recovery, AS3X mode.
You get more throwing AS3X than panic. And I've got it set in mid rates. Like I said, I got to keep an eye for people. So let's try not to land it in the water, huh? Whew. All right. Let's give her a try.
Flaps up.
I put the flaps up. Boy, that wind, I don't know. She's just twitchy, doesn't respond that great. I don't know. I mean, there's a little bit of a wind, but it doesn't affect Micro Draco. We'll put...
Take off flaps.
Very twitchy, and she still wants to go up. She still wants to go up. You give it gas, give it throttle, excuse me, and she wants to go up. Trying to think. I'll put the flaps up. Flaps are up. Yeah, we're going to try to get back down to earth here, guys. Did a couple of clicks down elevator. I already have it angled downwards. When you look at it. Man, she just, I don't know if you guys could see it, a lot of twitchiness. It's like I wish I could shut off the AS3X. Lots of twitchy little movements. I don't think that's the wind. There's barely any wind. I have the flaps up. Straight and level. Let's do a straight and level flight. If I get something saying it's low on battery, and she's not low on battery. Got a timer set for 5 minutes. I'm not real happy, but I think it should fly a lot better. All right, we're gonna try for a landing. I love the plane, don't get me wrong, but I just think...
Take off flaps.
Shut the power right off. Lands beautiful. I mean, all you got to do is shut the power off, kill it. I put on takeoff flaps. Every time I've landed, she lands beautiful. You just kill the power and come down, let it follow its own path down. Nice glide slope, and then you flare it at the end. She rolls out great. It's just got some twitchiness still. I love the plane. Would I recommend it compared to the Draco? My Draco flies better. Now, every plane's different, so it could be, you know, this plane or my settings. Like I said, right now I'm flying it in mid rates, factory setting from the book of 70% on the throws and 5% on the Expo. I am going to experiment some more with it. I might even try to download the auto file, the convenient file that you can download from the computer. I tried that with the Draco. It didn't work. The plane flew like this one's flying now, and I had to set up the Draco with my own rates and set it all up by hand. So I did that right off the rip with this model, but it's twitchy. It's not, I know it's a little model. I don't think I'm asking a lot, because these little ones, especially with the AS3X, they should fly fantastic. But I don't know, that's my thoughts on it, guys. Hit me up in the comments below if you have any ideas or thoughts for me. And thanks a lot for watching. We got a lot more coming, so make sure you subscribe, and we appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Well, let's see what we can do. Took right off of the picnic table.